Hello, this is the second video in our Woodsman workshop series, building this pot hanger here. This is a really nice one, it's really versatile, can adjust the height to the fire. So stick around, we'll see how we get on. So I brought you down to the pond site. This is because it's quite open here and the hazel stalls can regenerate a lot quicker. Now this limb here is going to serve two purposes, one for my straight length and then one for my actual pot hanger. Now I'll show you what I mean. So this is going to be the hook where we hang our pot from. Right, so we've collected all our timber. So this is our wire branch, this is going to go in the ground. You can see here, I've rounded off, chamfered off the, focus. I've chamfered off this. This is so the fibres, I've cut through the fibres, and when I hit it in the middle, it's not going to mushroom out or split. Now I need this in the ground, so I'm going to shorten it. Now we can use our knife for this, but we're woodsmen and we carry axes. A little bit of rut in that stump, but it serves our purpose. So that's our upright in the ground. This long piece, actually not a bad length. I was going to shorten it. You've got a knot up here, might have to deal with that. But what we need to do is make that into a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. We'll take a wedge off of one side, take a wedge off the other side, and then we can work out what we're doing with this. So this is going to hang here. It's quite a nice setup. Now before you do your screwdriver end, it's important to lay this down, because you don't know where it wants to sit. This obviously wants to sit that way. So we can mark that up with our knife. What we're going to do is, because this is so long and unwieldy, it's going to be difficult to get onto a stump. So we can just use the chest grip. Using the thumb push. And you make a divot. That should be plenty. See if chamfered that off as well. So now we've done our divot and our wedge, we need to work on this piece now. And this is what our pot's going to hang off of. And it needs to face in towards our pot hanger. This is because when it boils, if it's this way, it will start to rock. If it's this way, it will start to rock and then it will just fall off and put the fire out. I speak from experience. I don't know why. But if you know the answer, leave it in the comments below. So now we need to cut our notches in. Now you've all seen this before, I know you have, but I'm going to go through it just in case there are some people out there that haven't. Making those cuts a little bit deeper. Come around the other side. Just going to take that bark away. It's not the strongest, and it will give us a false sense of security. And there's our notch. Okay, so I'm going to get on with the other two, and when I come back we'll be putting you on the pot hanger. Okay, so we've done all our notches. Seems to sit there okay. Let's put this on. Oh, that one might be a bit low. I mean, you could add more, give you more adjustment. I think it works well. So as you can see, they don't take too long to make. This one only takes up a small portion of your camp, whereas this one takes up 360 of the fire. So there's more to trip over. I mean, someone could trip over this long length here, but you could also use this to store all your pots and pans under. It takes up 2 uses. This one's adjustable. It's a lot easier than manhandling 3 legs on a tripod, moving it up and down, getting everyone to move out of the way, clear some of the fire away. And I like it. I've got 2 more pot hangers I would like to build on this site, just so the students know what we're talking about in the classroom. They can come out and have a look before they build them themselves. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, tell all your friends, hit the notification bell, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.